Every day in India, 42 lakh food deliveries zip across cities and over 50 crore UPI transactions power a digital economy. But here's what's truly fascinating. This is just the beginning of India's consumption revolution. Hi everyone and welcome to Kentashala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Edelweiss Consumption Fund NFO. This NFO opens from 31st January to 14th February 2025. Remember how your first smartphone changed everything. How online shopping went from being a novelty to a necessity. That's the power of evolving consumption patterns. Today, India stands at an important moment where tradition meets aspiration, where your neighborhood Kirana store has an app, and where small town India is dreaming bigger than ever before. Did you know that India is projected to become the world's second largest consumer market by 2030? The Edelweiss Consumption Fund arrives at this remarkable intersection of opportunity. Think about it. India's consumption story isn't just about what we buy, it's about how a nation of 140 crore people is transforming its lifestyle. From premium coffee replacing traditional chai in many households to electrical vehicles becoming the new status symbol, consumption patterns are evolving faster than ever before. Whether it's rise of premium products in small towns, the explosion of digital payments, or the transformation of retail through e-commerce, the Edelweiss Consumption Fund aims to capture these shifting dynamics through its unique three-pronged strategy. Here's what makes Edelweiss Consumption Fund particularly exciting right now. First, perfect timing for entry. With many consumption-focused stocks seeing a meaningful correction since September 2024, we're looking at attractive valuations. Some leading companies have corrected by 20 to 30%, presenting a compelling entry point. Second, India's demographic sweet spot. Here's something fascinating. India's median age is just 28 years compared to China's 39 and America's 38. This young population, combined with rising incomes, is creating a perfect storm for consumption growth. Third, rising income effect. By 2030, we're looking at 11.5 crore households moving up the income ladder. That's not just numbers, it's millions of families buying their first car, upgrading their homes, and spending more on education. Fourth, triple investment approach. What sets this fund apart is its three-pronged strategy. First, core consumption like FMCG, retail, and pharma. Second, emerging consumption like digital services, e-commerce, health, and wellness. And third, cyclical consumption like real estate, auto, and hospitality sectors. Now let's dive deep into the portfolio strategy of Edelweiss Consumption Fund. The fund's approach is beautifully structured through what they call FAIR framework, where F stands for forensics, which means rigorous quality checks, A stands for acceptable price, which means value-focused buying, I stands for investment style agnostic, which means best of both growth and value, and R stands for robustness, which means focus on sustainable business models. Now, if we talk about the asset allocation, so 80 to 100% is in equity and equity-related instruments selected on the basis of consumption and consumption-related sectors or allied sectors, 0 to 20% in other equity and equity-related instruments, 0 to 20% in debt and money market instruments, including debt ETFs, and 0 to 10% in units issued by REITs and InvITs. Edelweiss Consumption Fund is suitable for investors who are seeking long-term capital appreciation and investment in equity-related instruments with a focus on companies engaged in consumption and consumption-related sectors or allied sectors. This fund is managed by a powerhouse team led by Mr. Dhruv Bhatia, who has over 12 years of experience in equity markets, Mr. Trideep Bhattacharya, who is the Chief Investment Officer of Equities. He has over 2 decades of experience in equity investing across Indian and global markets. And Mr. Amit Vora, who is the Head of Dealing and Fund Manager Overseas Investments. He has over 18 years of rich experience in equity dealings in the financial markets. He oversees equity trading activities and managing investments in foreign securities. Now let's talk about their fund details. The investment objective of this fund is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities with the focus on companies engaged in consumption and consumption-related sectors or allied sectors. The entry load is nil, whereas the exit load, if the units are redeemed or switched out on or before 90 days from the date of allotment, is 1% of the applicable NAV, whereas if the units are redeemed or switched out after 90 days from the date of allotment, then it is nil. So there you have it, a fund that's positioned to capture India's consumption story across traditional, digital, and emerging sectors. Well, this was all about Edelweiss Consumption Fund NFO. We hope you like this video. Thank you.